Hi guys, today we're going to be printing clear die-cut labels, and instead of using a digital Konica 6085 press, we're going to be using a smaller Okidata C942. The reason why is the special thing about the Okidata is that it has white toner. So it has a CMYK, but also has addition of a white toner station. And what this will do, it will print a white underprint so that on darker objects, the clear label will show a lot better. And let's begin. So I already loaded the paper with clear polyester adhesive sheets, and I'm just going to go ahead and begin printing. Give it a sec. Alright, so I think it's coming out now. Alright, so this looks pretty good. Okay, now we're going to actually laminate it. And I'm going to go bring it over to the laminating station over there. So I set up the small laminator here, and the small laminator we're using today because this is just a small run job. Otherwise, we use our much larger laminators over there, which is more bigger and automatic, but just takes a little bit more time to set up. This one is actually very super simple. So let me just clamp it and start it up. So the lamination we're going to be using today is a special lamination. This is actually a gloss lamination, but it also has UV prohibitors. So basically, in sunlight or areas where there's a lot of UV light, it will help resist fading from sunlight. So these stickers are very durable. Not only the lamination will help protect it from being waterproof or scratch proof, but also it has UV inhibitors, so that would allow it to be used outside as well. Alright, so let's just take a look at the other side. Yeah, it looks good so far. So next step, we're going to actually cut it in one of the Kiss Cut machines. So I have the file loaded on the Kiss Cut machine, and this is a great little machine. We had it for quite some time now, about 2 years, 3 years, but it's a workhorse. We actually ran this one time for 48 hours nonstop, and it was still continuing to run without a hitch. So let's load it up. First thing, we just need to, well, actually, we just need to press the QR code. And we actually have a system where it uses QR codes and automatically scans them, loads the file, and loads the cutting profile accordingly. So right now it's just scanning those marks, these marks, and it's just getting a bearing of where each mark is so that it can apply the cut file. All right. It's going a little bit slow, but we could run a bit faster. There you go. So while the other sheets are cutting, let's go over to the die cutting machine, the flatbed, and cut this. So I have the sheet now loaded on the bed of the CNC machine, and I don't need to load a file because just like the KissCut machine over there, it's going to scan the QR code, load the file automatically, scan the marks, and begin cutting. So let's begin. I'm just going to click continue, and it's going to scan the QR code. It loads up the file automatically. It's scanning the marks using the camera system, and there you go. It's going to start cutting. This machine is fairly fast too. And then when it finishes, the belt automatically ejects the sheet. Just like that. Alright, and there you have it. Let's take a look. Alright, so I'm looking at it, and it looks pretty good actually. Let's see how it peels. Yep, so it peels very, very well. So if you're wondering why do we kiss cut and then we die cut, well basically the kiss cut is so that we get the precise exact um, area that they want the cut file, but we extend it a little bit, the backing at least, and just do a die cut so that it's just easy to peel. So the actual sticker itself would be the kiss cut, but we do a die cut a little bit past the kiss cut just so it's a lot easier to peel. So if you notice that white underprint, that's the white toner, and that works well on a surface like a black or dark surface. You can definitely see it. So I think it turned out well. I hope you enjoyed this video.